Hi, George here. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, can you combine packs together? And things like, can you do more than one record in a pack? Stuff like that. And the answer is yes, and it's fairly straightforward, easy to do, but it depends upon the packs that you're trying to combine. The more complex the pack, the more difficult it is. You also need to pay attention to make sure that you're not overwriting anything. In other words, you can't take textures from one pack that change the same blocks as textures in a different pack and have them both in the same pack. You're going to have one or the other, so you have to make that choice. Also, you need to keep track here of the patch notes. Let's go over here to Java Edition, patch notes right here. A good example of that is in 121.2. Let's take a fast look at this patch notes here. I'm going to scroll way down, and there's a big change in here that does affect packs. Most of the time, these things don't affect packs, but sometimes they do. If you're doing programming, then this stuff always is important, but sometimes it also does have an effect on the packs. I'll just keep on scrolling down here a little bit, and down here into the Custom Equipment Layers section. This is where it gets important. Just scroll down just a little bit further here. Here we go. If your pack has custom armor, right there, player armor, that has been moved over into the Textures Entity Equipment Humanoid folder, and the leggings been moved over here into the Humanoid Leggings folder. So they're now in two new folders. And occasionally these kind of things do pop up, and you'll have to make some adjustments on how your pack is built to make this stuff work. For instance, down here, the llama decor textures have been moved right there. The horse armor textures have also been moved right there. And the elytra texture also has been moved. So a lot of things have been moved around. Basically things that you wear or animals wear, those things have been moved into different folders. So if your pack has that stuff, you'll have to make that adjustment. That began here in 121.2. Okay, let's see how you can combine packs together. Go over to Installations and go to your latest release and click on that folder icon right there. And that brings up your basic folder in here. This is your Minecraft folder. Come down to where it says Resource Packs, and it's right there. Open that up, and you'll find all of your packs in here. Now, my basic pack, I just have it named HDG Custom 9. It's the version 9 of this basic pack. This is where I have things like the paintings that make up my giant 100,000 subscriber play button. Things like that are in here. So I'll open that one up, double click. Here's that pack. Back here, I'm going to open this one up in a new window. It's just right click, open a new window, so it's easier to do this. There we go. And I recently did a new pack in here called Polka Squares, where I put in some squares over everything. We'll be using that pack a lot more in the future. So let's just open this one up. I'm going to right click on this and extract all because it's in a zip. Choose extract, and here we go. And then I'll right click on this one, and let's also open this in a new window. Get that out of the way. So I have these two packs in here now. Here's my main pack, and here's this Polka Squares pack. What I want to do is take stuff from here and put it over here. Now you don't need to change your pack MC meta or the pack PNG. You can leave that alone, unless of course Minecraft has updated to a new version. For instance, right now, let's open this one up. Right now the pack format is 42. And that's because I'm in 121.3. I've read that 121.4 is going to have a new number in here. So pretty soon this number is going to be changing again. But right now, that's the same. So I'll leave that one alone. The pack PNG is just the icon for the pack, so you don't need to change that one. Let's go right here and see what we have in Assets, Minecraft, Textures, Block. And I have some new blocks in here that have squares on them, so we get kind of a polka dot or polka square look. And that's in this block folder. If I go back over here to my main folder, let's open up Assets in Minecraft, and we're looking at Textures, so it's into the Textures section. And I have a block section already in here, so let's open this one up. And there's nothing in this block one, so that's fine. That makes it real easy. All I have to do is go over here, copy these out, and drop them in there. Let's just go ahead. We'll just do that real fast here. I'll select all that stuff, right drag it over here, and copy. There we go. Let's change our view here to large icon so it kind of matches. So I've now updated my main pack to contain what's inside of this pack. And that's just the way you do it. You just go through and find what you want to add over here and bring it in. Now, I don't have any sound over in here. I do a lot of those custom sound resource packs. I have my totem sound right here. Let's open this one up. And then Assets, Minecraft. And I have a sounds folder and a sounds JSON. I don't have either of those over here. They go inside the Minecraft's folder. So I'll back up to the Minecraft folder, which is right here. I'll just take this stuff, right drag it over here, and copy. And I've now added that stuff into this one pack. So it's that easy really to combine packs together. Just choose one main pack. And it's easiest if it's not zipped up. Notice that a lot of my packs are not zipped in here. You can zip packs if you want to or not zip them. It's up to you. Zip packs are smaller and the game can load faster. That's about all it is. I always keep my main working pack so that I can't add things and take things out if I want to. But there you go, that's really all there is to it. Again, the only thing that's going to be causing any problems is if you have something over here that is the same as in your pack already, and then you have to decide which one you want to keep. So you can only have one of each thing in the pack. But that's the same way that Minecraft runs anyway. If you have two packs, the pack on top is going to overwrite any packs underneath. Does the same thing. Okay, once you're done, let's just close these down. And we'll go ahead and play this. Now we added in that block and all these polka squares. Let's make sure those are working. I'll just click on the play button and we'll launch Minecraft. And here we are on my custom Minecraft screen. Let's come down into options and resource packs. Now my custom pack should be over here already. Custom 9, that's fine. And while we're here, notice that my polka squares is over here left-hand side and it's not activated, but we copied the stuff from that over into this one. So let's make sure we see our polka squares. And done, single player, to my main world right here. And we'll see those squares as soon as this world loads. And there we go, you can see it right there on the grass. There's all those polka squares in there. You can see them over here on the dirt. And then right there on those blocks again. So that worked. We've now combined those two packs together. So there you go. Pretty easy to combine packs. As you see, just make sure you're not overwriting anything that you need to keep. And keep in mind to stay up to date on what's happening on those updates and see if anything new has happened, which is going to change the way your packs work. You have to just keep an eye on that and make sure your packs are updated. Now on that stuff with the armor, I'll be doing a new video real soon here on how to do armor, and I'll be showing you how to set up those new folders that just came in there in version 1.21.2. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the bell icon for notifications, and I'll see you next time.